If you use Obsidian for note-taking, studying, productivity, journaling, or knowledge management, then changing the theme is one of the easiest ways to completely transform your workspace. A good theme can improve readability, reduce eye strain, increase focus, and make Obsidian feel much more personalized. Whether you want a minimal, clean look, a colorful, modern design, a dark productivity setup, or something more aesthetic, Obsidian gives you a huge amount of customization options through themes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the theme in Obsidian step by step in the easiest beginner-friendly way possible in 2026. So first, let's quickly understand what themes actually are. A theme is basically a visual design package that changes the appearance of Obsidian. Themes can modify colors, fonts, spacing, layouts, buttons, sidebars, headings, and many other interface elements. Instead of manually customizing every part individually, a theme instantly changes the overall style of the application with just a few clicks. To get started, first open Obsidian on your computer. Once Obsidian opens, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, go to the Appearance section. This is where all visual customization options are located. At the top of the appearance settings, you'll already see options for light mode and dark mode. You can switch between them instantly depending on your preference. Many users prefer dark mode because it reduces eye strain during long study or writing sessions, while others prefer light mode for a cleaner reading experience during the daytime. Now let's install a completely different theme. Scroll down inside the Appearance section until you find the Themes area. By default, Obsidian comes with a simple built-in theme, but you can install hundreds of community-created themes very easily. Click on the Manage button beside Themes. This opens the Community Theme browser. Inside the theme browser, you'll see a large collection of themes created by the Obsidian community. You can scroll through the list and preview different designs. Some themes focus on minimalism, some focus on aesthetics, while others are optimized for productivity and readability. If you find a theme you like, simply click on it and then press the Install button. Once the installation is complete, click Use, and the theme will instantly apply to your Obsidian workspace. You'll immediately notice changes in colors, interface design, note appearance, sidebars, and overall layout. The entire process usually takes less than a minute. One important thing beginners should know is that you can switch themes anytime without affecting your notes or files. Themes only change the appearance of Obsidian, not the actual content inside your vault. So feel free to experiment with different styles until you find something you enjoy using daily. Another great feature is that many themes also support extra customization settings. Some themes allow you to adjust accent colors, font styles, transparency effects, sidebar layouts, or note widths directly from the Style Settings plugin. If you want even more control over your workspace appearance, installing the Style Settings plugin can be extremely useful. To install Style Settings, go to Community Plugins inside Settings, enable Community Plugins if needed, then search for Style Settings. Install and enable it. After that, compatible themes will display additional customization options automatically. Now let's talk about choosing the right theme, because beginners often install themes based only on appearance. While aesthetics are important, readability and comfort matter even more if you spend long hours inside Obsidian. Try using a theme for at least a few days before deciding whether it actually improves your workflow. For students, themes with clean typography and strong contrast are usually better for reading and revision. Writers often prefer distraction-free minimal themes, while productivity-focused users may prefer dashboard-style themes with compact layouts and better task visibility. Another useful tip is to combine themes with CSS snippets if you want small custom changes. For example, maybe you love a theme overall but want slightly larger headings or different colors. Instead of changing the entire theme, CSS snippets allow small visual modifications while keeping the main design intact. If your theme suddenly looks broken after an Obsidian update, don't panic. Sometimes themes need updates from their developers to stay compatible with newer Obsidian versions. Usually this gets fixed quickly through theme updates inside the community theme browser. You should also remember that very heavily customized themes may occasionally slow down older computers slightly. If Obsidian feels laggy after changing themes, try switching to a lighter and simpler one. Most modern systems handle themes perfectly fine, but lightweight themes can feel smoother on lower-end devices. So, overall, changing the theme in Obsidian is one of the easiest and best ways to personalize your workspace in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform how Obsidian looks and feels while improving comfort, readability, and productivity at the same time. I hope this guide helped you understand how to change the theme in Obsidian, step by step. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity guides, and beginner-friendly tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.